Tommy Rant's here. View of the 4 screened-in rooms. I mean, they are almost right on the water. It slopes down to the water, and it could be 60 feet to the water. I don't know, but they're close. It's Shiloh on the lake, Caney City, Cedar Creek Lake, Texas. All right, let's see what you get for $40 a night. Looking at the backside, they're louvered and screened. Water service back here. No cooking inside. Yeah, these would go up quick with a little encouragement. Number 4 here. Small patio out back. I'll tour the outside a little more and then I'll take you inside. I happen to know the door's unlocked because I tried to shoot a video in the wind here yesterday. It was okay once I got inside, but when I was out here, unwatchable. All right, that same screen is behind the louvered areas. Double screen, actually, a finer one, and then that 1/2-inch mesh. Here we are at Lakeside. Let's go. Fish cleaning station only. Fishing dock. Canoes for rent, or kayaks rather. And one more time for perspective, there's the casita. I zoom into the area, but now I'm back out. Yeah, 4 of these babies. You come down, if you're in here in weather like this, it would be excellent. They do have power inside of these. They got 4 110 outlets in here, and there is light in here, which I'm going to turn on and then off because yesterday when I left I forgot to turn them off and I had to walk back down here. Well, I'll turn it back on because it may help with the video. Yeah, electrical outlet there, that's midway fore to aft of this cabin, and directly across another one. Shelf. It's pretty rough in here. I could count the studs. Look like they're on 24s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yeah, 12 wide, and about 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 deep on the inside. So that's pretty good space. I'm going to assume all of them have a 3.5-foot picnic table like that by 27, 24, 27 deep, and a small bench for each side. So you can move that around wherever you want. Concrete floor. So bring your own comforts. I would guess, I'm going to sit on one of these benches for a second. Just me off the top of my head. It's been a long time since I went tent camping, but I did a lot of it in a lot of places. And I would think in here you'd want a cot because of that concrete floor. It doesn't have to be anything extravagant, just something to get you off the floor. It's not a must, but a sleeping pad under a sleeping bag would do it. That would do it nicely. Lockable door, open ceiling. So, it's an open room. The whole thing is open, front to back, screened in everywhere. And you're looking right at the lake. Electrical here, barbecue. I mean, this is a great view. It would really be better if it was sunny, but that's what they look out on for $40 a night. I don't know the policy on how many people can stay in these or if there is one, but it'd be a great place for the kids, to bring kids because it is just roomy in here. A lot of open space. No fixtures really or anything except one shelf, and it's up about 6 feet off the ground. Not bad. Not bad. $40 a night at Shiloh on the lake in Caney City. Worth checking out for sure. Tommy Rance.